Mike Tyson. Oh, I can't believe it. And that's you. What's up? You watched.
I mean, I did. I actually watched the fight.
Yeah, you're taking the lead on that. Go ahead. Then what happened? What did you see? What did you find? Why women love seeing two men fighting?
No. It's not like that. I mean, seeing two men fight, that shit is stressful because that's going to come to the woman. It's going to bring everything in the fucking house down. So no. But I do like, the entertainment, the sports. And honestly, it was a show. It was just put on for money. It was a show. Everything leading up to it. Like the fight, just looking at it, it looked like an act.
So you think Mike Tyson could have beat this guy?
I mean, probably not.
Oh, okay. Then no.
Probably not. He's like almost ancient. He's old as hell.
He's okay. Why you say it's fake then? If Mike Tyson did not win the fight.
No, he didn't.
Okay. So why you say it's fake?
Yeah.
I mean,
an honest decision. So yeah.
Yeah. I mean, Jake would have won regardless, but it just looked like, you could only do certain things and he could only do certain things to make it how they wanted to make it look. Like to put on the show. Both.
I'm not even gonna bother with Stanley.
Why?
He did not watch the books.
Oh.
Well, no, I did watch some of it, but what I'm thinking is that this thing was being run on Netflix.
Yeah.
Right? And Netflix have subscribers. This is not pay-per-view where you actually pay to watch it. And if it lasts 1 or 2 minutes, that's it. You already pay your $50 or $150, whatever it is nowadays. So this is Netflix. They got to put on a show, right?
Exactly.
And he had a lot of restrictions so that it could last a certain period because nobody want to turn on this thing and just watch 2 minutes of it, right? So I think
so let me tell you this. Okay, apparently, this I think. Machete fake, you think it was fake the way that you're talking.
I mean, did it not look like it was all for money? Was it not?
Well, listen, is Mike Tyson
Hard
broke?
Rock had it on there. Everybody was betting on it.
Is Mike Tyson?
Even I bet.
Is Mike Tyson broke? Is Mike Tyson broke?
No.
So what
it was $20 million for that fight.
Okay, listen, here's what I get from it. I'm looking at Mike Tyson. And I'm looking at the whole thing in general. If it's not broke, and to me, it's an embarrassment.
I mean, some people are willing to be embarrassed for money. It was
that age, right?
A show. I mean,
even money. Okay, fine.
Well, let me stop you quickly right there. At this point of his career, well, I don't know if you want to call it a career at this point. Mike Tyson is at this point an entertainer. He's not a boxer, right?
But dude, that's risking your life though. With that age, you're taking that blow in your face. And you can tell that the guy was not in a good mood. He was not having a good time at all. So I'm not talking about the age, man. Uge petit, you got kids, you got grandkids. And then I remember there's a video when he was leaving and then all his ass is showing.
It's all a show. It was all for money. That's it.
But
20 mil a night.
I mean, I think it's because I think Mike Tyson is an angry man he's angry with society.
If you were Mike Tyson, you wouldn't be angry with society?
Yeah, because the wife, let me tell you this, I think he's angry because actually the woman, this divorce make him angrier. And then when they come to find out to Duncan, right, that rob him, apparently find out, he find out that he got robbed so bad through his divorce. Because when you're getting divorced, when the wife is wiping you out, they have to go through all the money that you made, right? So this is when he really find out that.
Yeah, he was broke at some point. Yeah.
He was broke at some point. He was broke. Yeah. And I believe, and here's the funny thing, I don't know if it's true. I believe they told me Trump was the one that gave him a lifeline.
I wouldn't be surprised.
I believe, and then how did he do that? I believe he gave him some type of money to open many acres of land to do a weed growing
farm?
Farm.
Yes, a weed farm.
Yeah.
I believe Trump helped him with that. That's why he's been making a lot of money. You understand my point? So again, for those people that say Trump is racist,
So he was desperate. It was for the money.
No, he has money now. He got money now. He says not in debt anymore. He pay all his, but I think like he reached a point that he doesn't give a shit anymore. He just like, imagine like, I believe like he's tired with the BS. He's just gonna give you whatever the hell they want. I don't know if you see the interview with that little girl that was interviewing him. I don't know if it's true or not, but I don't know if it's fake. Like when the girl was asking about legacy, things like that.
Yeah, I saw that video.
What kind of freaking legacy you talking about? I'm freaking dead. I'm dead. This is some ego shit. I don't care if I'll give it to him. Maybe my family or my grandkids probably care about me, but legacy? What? That's a freaking fancy term for people that have ego after they die. I don't care about my legacy. I'm gone. I'm dead. There's no legacy. I'm gone. So, I mean, so he was giving to that little girl. Apparently he was thinking, hey, if you came in my face and asked me that question, you are also able to give you whatever the freaking answer I'm going to give you. And you can see Mike Tyson is angry. You understand? And to me, it's sad. I don't think, I'll not put race into it, but to me, as a black man myself, I believe it's an embarrassing. I don't think they would do that to a white man. As well, I don't think a white man that age anyway would be able to stand anyway. So I think like, old black men.
I think if you take Mike Tyson and his entire life, he had
a rough life. Huh? Yeah.
A rough life, my friend.
Even at that age, that's my point. Even at that age, his life is still rough. Imagine you have to freaking like, how old is he? Like 60 something?
Yeah.
Yeah, 60 something, and then you're standing, and then for a guy to like keep punching your face like that.
Yeah.
And then like, and then $20 million, and then as we know, he's not broke, and yo.
But he's in shape though. He's in shape.
Oh yeah, he always like practice. He's always boxing. He always in the gym, things like that. Again, but keep in mind, it's your head, man. I think with all this blow that he's been taking into his head, that really like fucked him up too. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. So and then imagine at that age. I mean, when this guy gonna take a break? When he die?
Yeah.
So and a guy that's freaking like way younger than you.
Yeah.
And I don't understand what people was betting. You were betting on who? Who did you bet on? Odessa.
I mean, I bet on Jake, but I was hoping Tyson would show me something, but it was embarrassing.
Well, he showed you something. You stand up.
Yeah.
For 8 rounds.
Yeah.
He made it through the end. Yeah.
He did. Exactly. He did what he wanted to do.
Okay.
How did you pick your bet?
Just everybody talking. I didn't really know, or it's just everybody around me. Not enough. It's never enough.
I don't know how the hell I ask a freaking woman that question. They will never tell you how much money they have, how much money they win, how much they get paid. Do you know? This is crazy.
Not enough.
You can live with a woman in a house. You never know how much they make for the whole year.
You're stupid.
I'm telling you. This is crazy. So, I apologize. I should have never asked that question. Next time, say
definitely wasn't enough.
None of your business. Next time, just say it.
Okay. What were the conditions? What were the conditions around the bet?
What do you mean?
Well, like if it's gonna win or it's gonna be 8 rounds?
Yeah, I just did the win. Who was winning?
Yeah. Oh, well, you're not gonna make a lot of money.
No,
yeah.
Why
y'all trying to add it up? I just said it wasn't enough. Next.
No, I'm not trying to add it up. Sometimes there's different conditions.
Yeah. No, I just
that's another show in itself. Money, woman. Mm-hmm. And also, people, subscribe, okay? Subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and share and give me love. As you guys know, it's one thing I ask. Give me love. share the post. And we have a lot of great show that Republic gonna bring for us. And again, only one thing you have to do, go ahead and subscribe to all our channel.